Sana all.
How?
Nagulat ang kainuman ni Kuya mga idol na kung saan ay talagang ang lupit ng boses nito. There's no easy way, exchange of heart, grabe parang original ang boses talaga ni Kuya. So let's go mga idol, panoorin natin at magbigay tayo ng reaction.
Exchange our heart. You feel me where the memories come. If we had an exchange of heart.
Galing!
I lonely heart beat. Isn't your fault I used to play the fool? One day come when you didn't that's true. That your heart will break, you feel just like I do. Exchange of heart. She just do the best she could. There were times the best is only blue. And I had to try to be kind. There's always still a part of you to leave behind. When it falls apart, there's an easy way to break somebody's heart.
Galing!
It's all she will find. Woman with stars and light. To do it, so that's something to her make it true. As you reach for my head, and a single charge was born without sin. And I had to turn away. Was it good? All I heard she was feeling, I was feeling too. Watch me falls apart. There's a easy way to break somebody's heart. I told her she'd break down, but you smiled at me and never had the sun. And I guess she understood. Either way was a sign that told me everything she could not stay. When it's falls apart, but it's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way. The way somebody's love.
Grabe naman po si Lodi. Talaga namang alam natin mga idol kapag may alak, may balak. Grabe, ang boses ni Kuya. Ika nga parang original daw ang boses ni Kuya mga idol sa kanyang Exchange of Heart at There's No Easy Way. Hey mga idol, ano masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance? Please comment down below mga idol kung na-appreciate nyo ba at nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang rendition. Para sa akin mga idol, magaling si Kuya at talaga namang masasabi natin na sanay si Kuya sa kantahan. Grabe, wala akong masabi mga idol. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Halimaw talaga. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.